kannst du die Kommentare
recording. This is the Swiss pineapple peeling factory. We are cutting off the leaves, then we put in the stretcher and punch a very big hole into the pineapple. That takes quite a lot of time. So when you get to the bottom of the pineapple, you take the thing out and you have a very good juicy punch hole in the bloody thing.
So geht das.
Ah, it looks beautiful. Even the girls are beautiful.
Close the film.
Close.